Hello guys! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Cliedzel, letada vlog. Ang i-vlog natin today ay ipapakita ko lang po sa inyo ang aking simpleng lutong adobong sitaw with karne. Guys, bago natin simulan ang ating mga simpleng lutong sitaw ay huwag kalimutan ang pag-like, share, comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell button para lagi ka pong updated sa aking new video upload. Let's i-handle natin ang ating mga ahos, bombay, i-slice natin siya. So, hindi ko natin karne, nakano na siya, nahugas na to. And then, meron akong kalahating sibuyas, so i-slice natin. At may, ahos na 3 piraso lang. Kasi maliit na yung aking halo na ganyan. I-ano ko half lang. Tapos, kunting asin lang. Kasi may tuyo pa. Then, suka. Then, yung tuyo natin, buksan pa natin ito. Yung tuyo. Ay! Ayan. Next, lagyan konting bitsin lang po. Konti lang, konting-konti lang. Next ay ihahalo natin. Kuha muna ko ng kutsara. Yan, ihahalo natin siya. Ay, dandahan lang.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
After that ay takpan natin muna. Takpan natin siya. I-open natin siya ulit. 5 minutes later. Para yung kanin talaga maluluto siya. Pag maluto na yung kanin, ilalagay natin yung sitaw pang last. Yung last na natin ihalo yung sitaw. Then, lutuin naman natin yung sitaw. Yan ang aming kusina. Napakamaliit ng aming kusina. Napakaliit po ang aming kusina dyan. Diba? Yan, hanggang dyan lang ang aming kusina. Ayan, okay na. Sitaw in Tagalog, Bisaya, batong. Ayan, open it again. Ayan, luto na ang ating sitaw. Pwede na siya patayin ng apoy. Ayan. Luto na. Luto na ang aming sitaw. Yan, ito na ang ating nilutong sitaw. O, diba? Sarap. And guys, dahil ang ating simpleng lutong adobong sitaw. Thank you for watching until the end my video. And God bless us all and more power. Bye!